Today we're taking a close look at a true icon of American luxury cruising, the 1986 Cadillac Brougham, finished in a striking silver exterior paired with rich brown accents that give it that unmistakable old-school prestige. If you grew up around classic cars, or you've ever seen one glide down the street with that long, boxy silhouette and chrome shining under the sun, you already know this car doesn't just move people from one place to another, it makes a statement while doing it. This is the kind of Cadillac that defined an era when comfort, presence, and road dignity mattered just as much as horsepower figures. Walking up to the 1986 Brougham, the first thing that hits you is its sheer road presence. This is a full-size American luxury sedan built in an era when bigger truly meant better. The silver paint gives it a clean, almost regal appearance, but it's the chrome details that really make it stand out. The wide chrome grille at the front looks like a piece of jewelry, carefully designed to announce the car before it even arrives. The Cadillac crest sits proudly in the center, almost like a badge of authority. The rectangular headlights, typical of mid-80s Cadillac design, give it a sharp yet elegant expression, while the long hood stretches forward with confidence, hinting at the large V8 engine resting beneath it. Moving along the side profile, the Brougham shows off its traditional boxy shape, something that modern cars rarely dare to replicate. The straight body lines are clean and deliberate, emphasizing length and comfort rather than sportiness. Chrome trim runs along the body, framing the windows and lower panels, catching light beautifully as the car moves. The silver paint contrasts subtly with the brown vinyl roof, which is one of the most iconic styling features of this model. That brown vinyl top gives the car a two-tone luxury feel, like a suit tailored specifically for elegance. The wire-spoke style wheels complete the look, giving it that unmistakable Cadillac identity from the 80s era. At the rear, the design remains just as classic and dignified. The vertical tail lights are tall and bold, a signature Cadillac design language that had been refined over decades. The chrome bumper sits low and wide, reinforcing the car's solid, heavyweight character. Even the trunk lid feels like it was designed with ceremony in mind, closing with a reassuring thud that reminds you this is not a lightweight modern sedan, but a proper full-frame luxury cruiser built to last. Interior. Now stepping inside the brown interior is where the 1986 Cadillac Brougham really begins to show its true personality. Opening the heavy door reveals a cabin wrapped in deep brown velour or leather-like upholstery, depending on the trim, and it immediately feels warm, soft, and inviting. This is not a minimalist interior by any means. Everything is designed for comfort, softness, and that signature American luxury feel from the 80s. The wide bench seats in both the front and rear offer an almost couch-like experience. You don't sit in this car, you sink into it. The dashboard continues the brown theme, with wood grain accents stretching across the cabin, adding that classic executive lounge feel. The instrument cluster is simple, clear, and functional, with large analog gauges that are easy to read at a glance. There's nothing overly complicated here, just a driver-focused layout that prioritizes comfort over technology overload. The steering wheel is large and soft, designed for relaxed cruising rather than aggressive handling. Every control feels intentionally placed for ease of use, from the climate controls to the power window switches, which were still a luxury feature at the time. In the rear seats, passengers are treated like royalty. Legroom is generous, and the seating position is relaxed, almost like sitting in a private lounge. The thick cushioning of the seats absorbs bumps and imperfections in the road, making long journeys feel effortless. This is the kind of car where you could easily imagine family road trips across states, with smooth highway cruising and a quiet cabin isolating you from the outside world. Even the door panels are padded and finished in matching brown tones, maintaining a consistent luxury atmosphere throughout the interior. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 1986 Cadillac Brougham is not built for speed or aggressive driving. Under the hood, it typically came equipped with a V8 engine, most commonly the 5.0-liter or optional 5.7-liter engine depending on the configuration. These engines are paired with an automatic transmission designed for smooth shifts rather than quick acceleration. What this car focuses on is torque and relaxed cruising power. It moves with a calm, steady attitude, like it's never in a rush, and that's exactly the point. On the road, the driving experience is all about comfort. The suspension is soft, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces with ease. You feel isolated from the harshness of the road, almost floating as you drive. Steering is light and relaxed, making city driving manageable despite the car's large size. At highway speeds, the Brougham shines the most. It settles into a smooth glide, with the engine barely making itself known unless you push it. Cabin noise is minimal for its time, allowing conversations to happen easily without raising your voice. Fuel economy, however, is not its strong point, as expected from a heavy V8-powered luxury sedan of this era. What makes the driving experience special is not acceleration or handling precision, but the sense of calm authority it provides. You are not rushing, you are cruising in style. This is a car built for long, comfortable journeys where time seems to slow down. Pricing. Now when we talk about pricing, the 1986 Cadillac Brougham today sits in the classic and vintage car market, and its value can vary widely depending on condition, originality, and maintenance history. Well-maintained examples with clean interiors, original paint, and low mileage can command significantly higher prices among collectors. On the other hand, more commonly used or partially restored models can be found at more accessible prices, making it a popular entry point for classic American luxury car enthusiasts. The appeal here is not just ownership, but the nostalgia and prestige that comes with driving a Cadillac from one of its most iconic eras. Collectors value these cars for their timeless design, comfort-focused engineering, and the pure representation of 1980s American automotive luxury. What also affects pricing is the condition of the vinyl top, the interior wear, and whether the original V8 engine and transmission are intact. Many enthusiasts look for unmodified or lightly restored examples because originality plays a big role in long-term value. The aftermarket interest in these cars has also kept a steady demand, especially among those who appreciate classic cruisers that can still be enjoyed on weekend drives or car shows. Wrapping it all up, the 1986 Cadillac Brougham in silver with a brown interior stands as a beautiful reminder of a time when luxury meant space, comfort, and presence rather than screens and performance stats. It's a car that doesn't try to impress with aggression or modern gimmicks. Instead, it wins you over with its softness, its design language, and the feeling it gives you every time you close the door and settle into those wide, comfortable seats. It's a rolling piece of automotive history that continues to carry its legacy forward, even decades after it first hit the road. If you're someone who appreciates classic American luxury, this Cadillac isn't just a car, it's an experience. A slow, graceful, and confident experience that reminds you driving can be about enjoyment, not just efficiency.